Hi, I'm Steve Vree, and I am a science teacher at Cedar Springs High School. Um, I believe I'm starting my 19th year of school this year, and I've been at Cedar Springs for 17 of those years. And this video is just to tell you a little bit about myself. And so, um, The collage of pictures that you see here is actually a cool little tool that I just found on Adobe Spark. And one of the things I think you should know about me as your teacher is that I like to learn. And so I'm always trying to get better at my job, and I enjoy learning, and I also enjoy teaching. And so probably one of the biggest things, though, about me is my family. And so I have a wife, Stacy, you can see right here, and we've been married for 17 years this summer, and we've had three beautiful children. Lillian is my oldest. She's going to be a seventh grader this year. Coleman here is my little fisherman, and he got his largest bass this summer, a big old 19.5-inch bass on Bear Lake, with me on our new boat that we bought, and he is 10 and he's going to be a fourth grader. And my youngest is Anderson. He is 7 and he's going to be a second grader. And he and I had a nice time this last spring when we went into quarantine. I kind of got to work a lot with him on his first and second grade learning stuff. And so I really enjoyed that special time with him this last year. We do have two cats. Um, they are no longer cute and kitty, quite as cute as they are in that picture. They're now about a year old. Brother and sister, Miley and Milo. Um, I'm probably the least cat person in the family, but they are cool little living things, and they're part of our family. Uh, Found a couple cool pictures. So something fun I did this summer is I went to Bear Lake, and this was a beautiful sunset as we were sitting by the campfire right on the edge of the lake. And I love to be outdoors. I love to fish. Um, I did go to school at Grand Valley and Western. I got my undergrad degree at Western Michigan and Kalamazoo, and I got my master's degree at Grand Valley. Um, we go to Florida most years, and this was actually a pretty cool photo of a fake shark, obviously, because I have my head in its mouth. So, just a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to being your teacher this year and getting to know all of you and learn about your lives.